長女だ。長女。でかいガーリックやな。
いいや、美味しい。
はい。全部 still alive. They're still alive. Asari-clams. Good. Water's boiling. Pasta again. Pasta. I love pasta. Simple and so delicious. 今日どれぐらい食べれる？
お腹空いてる。
今日は山登りに行くからちょっと多めにしよう。もう素晴らしい初夏ですからね。山は呼んでますよ。山中さん。山が呼んでる山中さん。何ヶ月ぶりだこれ。何ヶ月ぶりかですよ。今日は思い立ったようにあっさりclams, plump and juicy and tasty. Very good. They're in season. I bought them yesterday morning because I had a cooking class to offer at this company's guest house nearby. So on the way to this workplace, a guest house, I stopped at the fish markets and bought the live shellfish asari and also hummus, the trout, 2.8 kilo, this big. I'm going to grill that. I'm going to grill that tonight on charcoal for our dinner. And yesterday we made sushi called soba-sushi. Soba-sushi is the unique local food in the northern region, mountainous and village regions of this prefecture, Gifu, Hida, and Mino too, because they grow in this area. You find there are lots of soba leaves, magnolia, Japanese magnolia trees, and the leaf is big. I'll show you. Big. So these are soba leaves. Just wrapped up with the wet paper. Big leaves, aren't they? Big leaves. So we wrap up our sushi. Sushi mixed with the grilled trout or salmon or ocean trout or whatever. Yesterday I bought, as I said, huge trout. I think it's an ocean trout, quite oily and tasty. It was good. My guests, 3 gentlemen and 2 ladies helping us wash dishes. We're lucky, and we all enjoyed it. Soba-sushi. And the asari, the clam miso soup, and the side dish was grated white radish with the shirasu. Shirasu is a tiny fish, like a nanata in Sydney, Australia, fish market. I would buy nanata, little fish, in the 90s when I go fishing, when I go buy oysters and other fish, seafood. Anyway, it's a tiny fish that The shirasu is in season, and it's got lots of calcium, and it's good. And we had it with the soy sauce and lemon juice. Simple, very simple cooking. And also we did the tempura of shiroebi, Toyama Bay shiroebi, white shrimps, beautiful, they're in season. And also sansai, Japanese bush tucker, natural wild veggies that's in this time of the year. In May, they're budding mountain leaves, the buds and the budding. We deep fry tempura. That was good. Just with the salt. Yeah, I need to start washing the shellfish. Oops, squashing me. The shellfish is squashing me. Oh, the water. So this way, as soon as I bought, I put them in salt water. 1 liter fresh water plus 30 grams or 2 tablespoons salt. So they think they are back in the water, back in the sandy beach where they live, and they just discharge the sand and I guess poo. So overnight, the day 2, the next morning, they're still alive. Well, unfortunately, this guy's still alive, but just see what happened. Just they're together and the shells are broken. See, they're together. Oh, they must like each other. Breaking the shells. This is the spring. Love is in the air. Love is in the air. Yeah, that's what it is. Springtime, life comes, everything comes back to life. This is spring, May. By the way, May is my birthday month. 27, yes. Mum's playing her digital keyboard. Okay, that's the bell when I start doing the shell. Pasta, another 2 minutes. That was 6 minutes. 1, 2, 3, under 12. 3 more minutes. So I'll start doing the sauce. No, not the sauce. Shellfish. Do the shellfish. Asari, plump, juicy, tasty asari. This one is from Mie. Top quality. One of the top quality. So pasta still another 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes boiling. 9 minutes. Boiling time is 9 minutes. In the meantime, I'll just blanch these flour. This is a Japanese mustard spinach flour. It's the end of the season. They're grown too big, as you just saw. I don't have the leftover white wine, so I'll use sake for this. This is the special olive oil, which my German friend Farid-san, former captain, first officer of Lufthansa Airlines, he grows olive trees. He has an olive farm in Catalonia, La Tinta, Tarragona, south of Barcelona. Not good. The lid is not good. Not good. Need to find a real wood lid for this. Yeah, that'll do. Pasta. Cook. Not enough sake. I will have to go buy them. So I just put this one. Oh, burning, not good. Sauce burning. You never read the instructions. Same here. Ouch. Try this. All of them. Beautiful flavor of asari.あ、いらんの？
油これ。
大好き大好き。I love olive oil. This is a special one.
美味しいから。少しいいよ。
Just a little bit more.
箸あるか。
Let's eat. あっさり。あさりです。Shellfish. あさり。あれ？つながった。
Yeah.
Mum was having German Riesling
これ食べ
with
て。
asari pasta. Huh? You're not eating well. Mum.
やってるの。これはすごい腹くれる。ボンゴロ美味しいな。
So tasty, asari. Japanese clams.
まだこのイグアナ。あんたイグアナるんやろ？やめて。
Just tasting.
あ、中くれた。
Oh, sorry. Ontake-sanです. Mount Ontake, over 3,000 meters above sea level. And at the foot of Mount Ontake is a beautiful onsen called Nigorigo Onsen. I've been there. Heaven. Soothing onsen. We have many onsens in this area. Gero Onsen is another famous one. By the river, you can bathe with, both sex, men and women can bathe. But you need to wear something, of course. And there are hotels and ryokans and also public onsen. That's down there is Nagara. The blue Nagara. Where I'm going catching eel and chagrill this summer.